Okay, greetings everyone and welcome to the presentation for the Week 10 overview of our FastTrack English class. First, you're going to prepare for Tuesday's Zoom class by watching the Jan and Meg Show 2 and reading the Synthesis of Communicative and Distributive Justice worksheet and the 2 sample papers for the Synthesis of Communicative and Distributive Justice. All of this is in college writing. So we are going to spend all of our Zoom class time this week focusing on the assignments that are in college writing. So all of this that you'll find in your college writing D2L course. Then in Tuesday's Zoom class, we will have a DOL. I'm going to still help you to thread and write, well-constructed academic sentences. So we'll be working on that. And then we will spend the rest of the time focusing on the synthesis of communicative and distributive justice. When we're done, you'll be ready to write the reflection paper that's due in college writing on this. Then you're going to prepare for Thursday's Zoom class. You're going to watch the Jan and Meg Show 3. You're going to print the Synthesis of Social and Procedural Justice worksheet, and you're going to get started on it, getting as far as you can. Again, all of this is in college writing because, again, we're focusing on all of our fast track time this week on helping you get through week 10 of college writing. Then Thursday's Zoom class, we'll do another DOL, and then we're going to spend the rest of the time working on that worksheet for the Synthesis of Social and Procedural Justice. So it doesn't matter that you finish the worksheet, but any thinking you do will only help you while you're in class. Okay. Then the other things going on in Fast Track this week. First, you need to complete the final draft of the What If experiment, and then you're going to finish Just Mercy. So don't forget that the last set of assignments for Just Mercy for the rest of the book is due Tuesday of week 11, which is next week. So make sure you're getting those things done as well. So have a good weekend, and I'll see you in Zoom on Monday for college writing. And then in Fast Track, we'll work all week on the college writing assignments. There are other assignments in college writing this week, so make sure you're paying attention to that. But you know by now to print all of the worksheet or the weekly schedules and to watch these overview videos for both courses so that you can make a plan to get everything done. Please reach out if you need anything, and I'll see you on Monday in college writing.